If you want to go ahead and play a video file using VLC Media Player, what you need to do is go to the Media menu and then go around over here onto Open File. Once you do that, you can navigate to the folder where you have your media file stored and then simply select it, which may be in different formats, and VLC supports large range of media formats. So if I were to go around over here and select this out and click on open, then what happens is that this is what you have. The media actually plays out. So you can go ahead and stop right here and then play it out once again as well. So just like this, apart from that, what you can also do right here is go to any particular folder where you have your media file right here, right click on it right here, just like this, open it out and choose VLC Media Player as well. But if it is set to default, then VLC Media Player will be the one to play the video file right here, just like this. So now this is what you have. So apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say for example, I can open up VLC Media Player right here. Let me just go ahead and resize this. So here I have a video file. So now what I can do is click and drag the video right around over here and then double click to play the media file out just like that as well. And those are the different ways in which you can play a video file using VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.